Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the highest common factor, or HCF for short, the biggest number that divides into both. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find the HCF of any pair of numbers using prime factorization. No trial and error, no guessing, and no second guessing. Definition. The highest common factor of two numbers is the largest integer that divides both of them with no remainder. So the highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6, because 6 divides both, and nothing bigger does. Sometimes called the GCD, or greatest common divisor. Same thing, different name. Here's the method. Prime factorize both numbers, then take only the shared primes at their lowest powers. Multiply these together, and that's your HCF. So if both numbers have a 2 in them, your highest common factor has the lower power of 2. If only one has a 5, the highest common factor has no 5. Shared primes, lowest powers. That's the recipe. Common slip. Don't confuse HCF with LCM. Highest common factor is the highest factor, so it's small, less than or equal to the smaller of the two numbers. Lowest common multiple is the lowest multiple, so it's big, greater than or equal to the bigger of the two. Useful identity, highest common factor times the lowest common multiple equals the product of the two original numbers, always. Quick example, highest common factor of 24 and 36. Well, 24 equals 2 cubed times 3. 36 equals 2 squared times 3 squared. Shared primes, 2 and 3. Lowest powers, 2 squared and 3 to the 1. So the highest common factor equals 4 times 3 equals 12. Done in 3 lines.